Here, and today I want to show you the Emax 2306. It's the new white motor that I want to do an opening with you. I'm gonna build this drone with these motors, with all this equipment here, and we're gonna build it together. I have links on the description for guys for who want. And over here we have the stickers. Quite nice. Everything with a lot of foam over here, which means it won't happen anything with the shipping. You have over here, it's a nice stamp, for 3mm thick arms and screws, and you have for 4mm arms thickness, those screws, and as well you have. Oh, that's nice. This is a nut for the bottom, I think. Yes, it's for the bottom, and you have a disc also spare, which is pretty nice. Now, on those motors, what you have, first of all, the air comes in here from those sides, and I believe with this system, it can, with this method, it can bring more air to the inside of the motor. On the bottom you have all the shape of the bottom, but it's with less aluminum, which means you have holes over here, here, and here, which is quite nice. Less weight. The strings, oh, that's good, which means that you can connect it for 4-in-1 without any problem. That's good. It comes with the right clockwise and anti-clockwise, and you have counterclockwise, and you have also the lock nut, which is good. The wire looks very, very thick. It says 18 AWG, but it looks much thicker. Very, very solid, very, very high quality. And what's good about those motors is that they don't drop a lot of battery, and they give you, with the 2550 kV, they give you 1740 grams of Max.thrust with 4S battery. Now that's a lot of saving. I believe you can connect those motors for 35 amps ESC, and it would probably be a blast. Another thing we have here, the diameter is 28mm.3 and the length is 30mm.1. It weighs only 32 grams. Now that's nice. Overall build, it looks very, very solid, very, very steady. The magnet looks very, very good. I see those are arc magnets, which means the magnets are not straight. They're in a way of shape of arc, which means it can save room and can save power, and it can be more efficient. The 2306, 2550 kV. I leave a description link, link in the description, and you can see all those links as well in the description. Hope you enjoy. See you next video. Have a good day. FPVist.